Saturday, 8th of February 2025, Icon Factory liked and replied to a post of mine. Pinch me. Watered tomatoes. I think I'm going to stop watering some of the plants and see if that pushes the fruits to ripening. Might do. That was my neighbor Redacted's suggestion anyway. Supermarket run. Anarchist meeting. The council-owned community centre told the anarchist group that they wouldn't let them hire the function space that they'd booked, so we had to meet at the Civic Green instead. Really nice people, interesting conversation, free stickers. I got a burger for tea. Work, strange shift, busy but not busy. I got a new responsibility. From next week, I'm going to be the big swinging dick in charge of laundering the tea towels. Let's go. Tasted Geraldton wax leaf. Whoa. Saw a young man vomiting out of the passenger side door and onto the road in the main street, with what looked like the mother in the driver's seat looking very disappointed. Gave myself a manicure. Had some nuts. Mood 7, energy 7, moods content. Grateful. Anarchy workshop.